On a clear night, look up. Above you stretches an ocean of stars, each a distant sun. Somewhere beyond those pinpricks of light, could there be another civilization wondering the same things we are? Are we truly alone, or is the universe teeming with life? This question has captured human imagination for millennia. Indeed, as we gaze into the ink-black canvas of the night sky, speckled with a billion points of light, our minds wander to the possibilities of life beyond our pale blue dot. Each star we see is a sun, potentially orbited by planets, perhaps even Earth-like ones. In this vast cosmic neighborhood, it seems almost improbable that we are the only tenants. The universe is a grand stage, so colossal in its scale that it defies comprehension. It's a cosmic playground filled with galaxies, each home to billions of stars and, by extension, an almost unimaginable number of planets. Could these celestial bodies be the cradle of life forms we can't even begin to comprehend? For all of human history, we've looked to the stars for answers. Ancient civilizations saw deities in the constellations, while modern humans see the prospect of other civilizations, both primitive and advanced. The tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial life has been the fodder of countless science fiction tales, but it's also a serious scientific endeavor. The quest to answer this question has led us to probe the farthest reaches of our galaxy and beyond, to listen for signals from cosmic neighbors, and to continually refine our understanding of what life is and where it might exist. Yet, the answer eludes us, leaving us to ponder and speculate. Fast forward to today. With advances in science, our search has shifted from myth to telescopes, data, and hard evidence. In the 20th century, visionary astronomers like Carl Sagan advocated that the sheer size and age of the universe almost certainly guarantee life beyond Earth. But how do we find this life? The answer lies in the exploration of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. To do this, we've created observatories like the Kepler Space Telescope. Kepler's mission is to scan the cosmos for Earth-like planets in the Goldilocks zone, regions not too hot, not too cold, but just right for sustaining liquid water, and possibly life. To date, Kepler has discovered thousands of these exoplanets. Some of them lie at just the right distance from their stars, and may have atmospheres similar to ours, capable of supporting life as we know it. But the scope of our search doesn't end there. In our Milky Way galaxy alone, scientists estimate that billions of planets exist within these habitable zones. If even a tiny fraction of these planets could support life, we're potentially looking at millions of alien worlds. Yet, here we are in the year 2024, and we're still asking the same question that our ancestors pondered when they gazed up at the night sky. Where are they? Are we missing something? Are our methods of searching flawed, or is our understanding of life itself too narrow? Or could it be that we're truly alone, the sole bearers of consciousness in this vast cosmic sea? But don't despair just yet. Remember, our search is still in its infancy. Our technology and understanding of the universe are constantly improving. So, as we continue to scan the skies, peering into the depths of the cosmos, we remain hopeful. In our galaxy alone, scientists estimate billions of planets exist within habitable zones. If even a small fraction could support life, we're potentially looking at millions of alien worlds. But despite this vast number, one question remains: where are they? This question, why we haven't yet seen any sign of alien life, is known as the Fermi paradox. If life should be common, why is the universe so quiet? Pondering this paradox takes us down a rabbit hole of possibilities, each more intriguing than the last. One theory is quite grim, suggesting that civilizations, once they reach a certain technological threshold, are doomed to self-destruct. Think about it. Nuclear warfare, environmental devastation, artificial intelligence spiraling out of control. These are all threats that could potentially annihilate an advanced civilization. Are we, as a species, walking on the same tightrope? Are we destined to fall, just as they might have? But let's not get too gloomy. Another theory, known as the zoo hypothesis, paints a different picture. Picture an advanced alien civilization so far ahead of us that they choose to observe us from a distance. Like a scientist studying an intriguing species in a zoo, they're out there, watching, waiting, but purposefully not making contact. Why? Perhaps they're waiting for us to reach a certain level of maturity, much like a parent watching a child learn to walk. And then there's the possibility that they've been trying to reach out to us, but we just don't have the means to hear them. Imagine a life form communicating through a medium completely alien to us. Our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is still in its early stages. We're like toddlers, trying to decipher the complex language of the cosmos. Perhaps they're waiting for us to reach a certain level of maturity. Or maybe they've tried to contact us, but we lack the tools to hear them. After all, our search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, is still in its infancy. The truth is, we simply don't know, but the quest for knowledge, for understanding our place in the cosmos, continues. Despite the silence, our search for extraterrestrial life continues. Every day, scientists around the world are working tirelessly, scanning the skies, analyzing data, and dreaming of the day when we finally answer that age-old question, are we alone? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, has been listening for signals from outer space for over 6 decades. Using massive radio telescopes, SETI scans the cosmos, hoping to intercept an alien broadcast. But space is vast, and our technology, while impressive, is still limited. Yet, we remain hopeful. The upcoming launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, the successor to Hubble, promises to revolutionize our search. With its unprecedented resolution and sensitivity, James Webb will peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before, investigating the atmospheres of distant exoplanets and looking for signs of life. The search also continues closer to home. On Mars, rovers are testing the soil for signs of ancient microbes. On Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, future missions aim to drill through the icy surface, searching for life in the moon's subsurface oceans. And on Saturn's moon, Enceladus, which spews geysers of water into space, we may soon catch a ride on these plumes to sample for life. The silence from the cosmos can be disheartening, even eerie, but it's important to remember that our search has barely begun. We've explored an infinitesimal fraction of the universe, and our technologies are still in their infancy. The universe is over 13 billion years old, while our search for extraterrestrial life has been going on for a mere blink of an eye in cosmic terms. Whether we discover microbial life on Mars, find a signal from a distant civilization, or continue to be met with silence, one thing is certain: the search for alien life will continue to be one of our greatest and most fundamental quests. After all, it's not just about finding aliens, it's about understanding our place in the cosmos.
Join us again for more captivating insights into the world of technology. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep exploring